coverage in business. And despite the challenges incurred in Kenya Airways, the company has recorded an improved operating profit of 1.06 billion shillings and an improved loss before tax of Kenya shillings 5.969 billion shillings for the ninth month period ended 31st of December, that was 2013. During the 2018 annual general meeting, the company reveals to take back the possession of its two Boeing 787-8s and three Boeing 777s to expand its route. One of the aircraft will be deployed on the new Nairobi-New York route to be launched later this year.
In order for Kenya Airways to grow, not just to survive, but to grow, we need to compete on a level playing field with the airlines with which we compete. Okay, if you look at who is our biggest competitors, there's obviously Ethiopian, Emirates, the Gulf Airlines, to a lesser extent the European airlines, but mostly it's the Gulf Airlines who are our most effective competition.
One of the key elements of the future we are looking at is growing so-called digital activities of Kenya Airways. And we are not where we should be. I am fully aware that the Kenyan market, and particularly maybe I would say broader East African market, is very digitally active. And I'm not mentioning only social media, but generally speaking. So we are just finalizing a project of really setting up new digital tools